you full? Did you eat a good meal? Hmm? Did you eat a good meal? Did you have a good dinner? You making your crunchy noise? Oh, yep. I think you're full. That crunchy noise is a sign that he's in comfort. That's what that is. I don't know why he's licking his foot. Huh? You full? Good boy.